Imagine being able to create captivating animated Bible stories using only free AI tools. I'm going to quickly show you a simple step-by-step method to turn the beloved stories of the Bible into engaging animated videos that will attract thousands of views. This method allows you to launch a wildly successful Faceless YouTube channel and start earning passive income online in a short time. You'll be blown away by how quickly and easily you can produce professional quality content that resonates deeply with viewers. Let's dive in. First, go to any language model of your choice. I'm using ChatGPT. You can use Claude or Bing. We're going to paste this prompt telling it to generate story ideas from the Bible. I will include a link to this prompt in the description. Now it has given us a list of stories. Next, we'll ask it to narrate any story of our choice and include prompts for each scene. I chose the story of the Tower of Babel. It has given us a narration for the story, including image prompts. Now I'll just ask it to extract only the narration so we can generate the voiceover. Then we just copy the narration. Next, I'll go this voice generator called MeloTTS. It's very suitable for story narrations, and it supports various languages and accents. It is also completely free, and you can generate unlimited text-to-speech. I'm going to choose a British voice, set the speed to 0.9, and then paste the script. Then I'll clean up the script and remove any unnecessary part. Click Synthesize and listen to the voiceover. If you're okay with the result, click this button to download. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the first image prompt. Then go to Meta AI. You can also use Microsoft Designer or Leonardo AI. At the time of this video, Meta AI is completely free and you can generate unlimited images. You just need to log in with your Facebook account. Click on Imagine and paste the prompt. Tweak the prompt as you need to. In this case, I'll add in 600 BCE because that is the time period of the story, so the images can be accurate. Once the images are generated, you can click here to download. You can also click on the image and click Animate to animate it. I'll just go ahead and generate the rest of the images, animating the ones I want to. Remember to tweak the prompts if you need to. The AI was unable to generate an image of God, so I replaced God with elderly man with white hair. Once you're done generating images, it's time to compile and edit. Now, go to any editing software of your choice. I'll be using Canva. Create a new design and choose YouTube video. Then I'll click on Uploads and upload the images I generated. Then add the first image to the canvas and set it as background. Click plus to add a new page, then add the second image and set to background as well. At this point, you need to add the audio so you can have a guide for placing the images. In case your audio is in a file format, go to this website called Online Video Converter to change it to MP3, which you'll upload to Canva. Once our audio is added, you can use it as a guide to place the images appropriately. Then click on a page and select Animation. I'll be using Breathe. You can also adjust the duration of a page to fit the voiceover. You can also add transitions between pages. I'll choose Dissolve. You can also try out other animation styles. Or you can just click Apply to all pages to use one style automatically throughout your design. This is what it looks like so far.
Long ago, after the Great Flood, people spoke one language and together in harmony. They journeyed east and found a wide open plain in Shinar, a land rich with resources. As they settled in Shinar, they said to one another, "Let us make bricks and bake them thoroughly." They used bricks instead of...
Go ahead and compile the rest, adding a new page, adding image or video and set to background, adjusting the image and page duration if I need to. For the last part of the voiceover that's saying thank you, I'll just add a pre-made YouTube and screen page from Canva. I like this one. I'm just going to replace it with my channel logo and change the name. Once you're okay with the result, click on Share and click Download. To add subtitles, we'll be using CapCut. Open a new project, import your video. Then drag it to the timeline. Next, click on Captions, then Caption Templates. Choose any template of your choice. I'll choose this one. Then click Auto-Generate Captions. Once the captions are generated, you can edit it by clicking on Captions at the top right. Correct any mistakes. To get free copyright-free music, go to YouTube Studio and go to Audio Library, search for any kind of music you want. For this video, I'll search storytelling and download the one I want. Then I'll import it to CapCut and drag it to the timeline. Make sure to set the volume of the soundtrack to an appropriate level. When you're okay with everything, click on Export to download your video. But before I reveal the final result, let me share something exciting with you. Did you know that the possibilities for creating engaging animated stories on YouTube go far beyond just Bible tales? There are so many untapped niches waiting to be explored. That's why I've put together a free PDF guide containing 50 unique and captivating niches for starting your own faceless animated storytelling channel on YouTube. Click the link in the description box to download it for free.
Long ago, after the Great Flood, people spoke one language and lived together in harmony. They journeyed east and found a wide open plain in China, a land rich with resources. As they settled in China, they said to one another, "Let us make bricks and bake them thoroughly." They used bricks instead of stones and tar for mortar. Then they had a bold idea. "Come, let us build ourselves a city and a tower that reaches to the heavens, so that we may make a name for ourselves and not be scattered over the face of the whole earth." They worked tirelessly, day and night, and the tower began to rise, higher and higher. It became a symbol of their unity and ambition, reaching toward the sky. The people were proud of their creation, and they believed they could achieve anything. Their hearts were filled with pride, and they began to rely on their own strength and wisdom, forgetting about God. But God saw what they were doing and said, "If as one people speaking the same language they have begun to do this, then nothing they plan to do will be impossible for them. Come, let us go down and confuse their language so they will not understand each other." Suddenly, the workers began to speak different languages. They could no longer understand each other, leading to chaos and confusion. Communication broke down, and they couldn't continue building the tower. Unable to work together, the people stopped building the tower. They scattered across the earth, forming different nations and cultures, each with its own language. The place was called Babel, because there the Lord confused the language of the whole world. From there the Lord scattered them over the face of the earth. The story of the Tower of Babel reminds us of the importance of humility and the power of unity when guided by wisdom and respect for one another. Thank you for joining us on this journey through one of the Bible's most fascinating stories. Remember, true greatness comes from working together with respect and humility.